Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to set Vivaldi browser as your default PDF viewer on your Windows 11 PC. For this, select any PDF file on your PC, then right click on it. In the pop-up menu, select Open With, and then click on this one, choose another app option. Then select Vivaldi and then click on this one always button. This will set Vivaldi as default PDF viewer on your Windows 11 PC. That means whenever you will double click on any PDF file on your Windows 11 PC, it will automatically open in Vivaldi web browser.